What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with another review. Today I will be reviewing my new titanium flat iron from kh2. I purchased another flat iron because one, my oven broke, and two, I was already in the market of looking for another reliable flat iron because I already knew my last one was gonna break on me someday because it started, I don't know, it was just making noises when I shook it. This is the package it came in. I already took the flat iron out, but it just came in this little protective sleeve. It also came with a card, a thank you card. This is the flat iron. It's very sleek, very lightweight, very sturdy. I love this. It comes with these protective like little plate things. I don't know what they're called. They're protective to protect your fingers when you're flat ironing your hair. It protects your fingers from being burned. This flat iron has nano titanium plates. It will allow your hair to become very sleek, very shiny. It will give it a really nice glossy finish. I am going to flat iron this wig right now. This wig I'm wearing right now is from my Hollywood hair collection wig that I got 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. I'm actually gonna flat iron it now for the first time. This bad boy gets up to 470 degrees Fahrenheit. It's beautiful. It's very sleek, very lightweight. I can travel with this. I won't have to worry about it weighing so much in my bag. Like, I love this. It also comes with the on and off button on the side. The heating temperature gauge is right here on the side as well on the inside. Normally they have like little buttons on the front, like the on and off switch on the front, but this one actually has it on the side, which I really like. I am going to actually go ahead and use this now so I can show you everything. You can see the before, the after. Okay, so I've only just did a few passes on this side and one pass right here, but let me tell y'all, baby, this thing gets so hot so fast. I'm actually gonna turn it down just a little bit. I put it at 430 at first, but now I'm gonna put it at 380 and see how that works. This thing gets hot, and it's not burning anything. It's not doing anything crazy with the hair. It's actually doing what it's supposed to do. Like my hair, like what? Look at that. It's so gorgeous. But I'm gonna come back with all my hair. I see that's gonna take a lot of time. So I'm gonna come back with my whole head flat iron, and I'm gonna tell you my absolute all-time thoughts, all my thoughts about this flat iron as soon as I am done, okay? Okay, so you guys, this is the results of me using the flat iron. It is everything. This thing gets super hot. I actually went on ahead and used the 430 settings instead of the 380. The hair will still be okay. So I went on ahead and I used the 430 setting today, and I must say it is a beast. This thing shipped so fast. I'm just so happy it came when it did. I ordered this on a Sunday and I got it today, Tuesday. So yeah, it's perfect. I am going to link this flat iron in the descriptions below. Also remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys on the next one.